Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to SK Technologies. So in this video, I will explain you about file permissions. So how to set the file permissions. So how to provide access to the users. Generally, people are providing the access on user basis, but in the Linux, we have to provide the permissions to users on file basis or folder basis. Okay. So we know already if you go and do this ls-l, which will displaying the all your file information like file permissions, file ownership, file size, file name, and the date when it's created or modified. So let me show you. I just logged in my server. So if I do the ls-l, see this is the file permissions and this is the ownership. Okay, which means I created this file by EC2 user. Okay, then this is the size of the file. So if you want to display the size with a human readable format, you can use -h. Okay, so 38 KB. So here if you observe here, so the first thing, this is the file permissions which is having 10 characters. We already know about the first character, like if it is showing as a hyphen. Okay, so if it is showing the hyphen, it's a file. In case it is showing as a D, then it is a directory. Okay, then remaining, if you take remaining 9 characters. Okay, so if you take this, let me increase the font. So these all are your file permissions. So if you again divide into three parts, then these are the your file user permissions. Okay, and these are your group permissions. I will tell you what is the group and others permissions. This is also we will discuss now. Fine. So the moment whoever created the file owning by the which user, those are the this RW hyphen. This is the user's permission. So there are three types of permissions: read, write, okay, and execution. Execution. Okay. So three types of permissions. So here directly if you are giving the value of the read, write, execution, so we have the some keywords. Fine. Read we are taking as a R and write permission W. Okay, and execution permission X. Okay, so these are the keywords. Instead of using the entire word, we are using the keywords only. So that is the why, that is the reason here you have the user permissions read, write, hyphen. Hyphen means there is no execution permission. If there is any uh, if you are you see if you are group, there is two hyphens, hyphen, hyphen. It means there is no write and execution, only read. In the same way others also only read. Okay, so it's a null value. Then how to change the file permissions means, okay, so there is a one and only command which is chmod command. Okay, so command is chmod. The syntax is chmod. Okay, so options, then your file name. So I told right, we are providing the permissions on the file basis. Fine. So you have to give the file name, whatever the file you want to change, you have to give the file name, then respective options. Now we will see these options. Okay. So generally how we have the keywords for the read, write, execution. In the same way, we have keywords for this user group and others also. Okay. So keyword of the user is you. Okay. So keyword of the user is you, and group, we have the keyword called G. Okay. So G, then others, we have the keyword called, okay, so it is O. Okay. With the help of these keywords, we are changing the file permissions. Okay, and we are uh, modifying the file permissions with the help of this chmod command. Okay, now I will tell you simply. So here, if you observe here, read write execution, so there is no execution for the user. Now what I will do, I will add, okay, so I will add execution permission. Okay, so execution permission to whom, others, user, sorry, user. So I am going to change the, I am going to add the execution permission for a user. Okay, so let me decrease the font. Yeah, so now here you can go and use the chmod command, then options. So here you are going to add, right? So add means you can use the plus sign. Okay, so if you want to remove, okay, so if you want to remove, you can use the hyphen sign, minus sign. Fine. So here options, how to arrange these options means based on your requirement, you have to arrange these options. Like I am going to add execution permission for the other user. Okay, so user, I'm going to add the execution permission. So what is the keyword for the user? U. So here u plus. Okay, so normally the scenario is like this: user, we are going to add execution permission, correct? Execution permission. So how you need to convert into the options means, okay, so then you can use chmod. So user u plus addition means adding, right? So plus, then execution, what is the keyword for execution? X. U plus x, then your file name, SKtech. That's it. So you can go and execute this and we will see. So chmod u plus x, then file name, SKtech. That's it, executed. Now again verify with ls-l. See, if you observe carefully, now x added here under the user section. We didn't touch the group and others also. We just added the execution permission only for user. See, x added. In the same way, you can go and add the group permission for the group, write permission for the group. So now my requirement is add write permission to group. Okay, so here scenario is group plus which permission? Write permission. So instead of group, what are the things you need to use? What are the keywords you can use? Command is same. Command is same for all file permission changes. Chmod. So group means G, then addition rise plus sign, then write means W, then your file name. That's it. Let me go and apply. Chmod G plus W, then file name. Fine. Now let me verify. See, W has been added here. Now this time I will remove the, okay, so this time my requirement is remove read permission. Okay, so read permission to others. Okay, so I will chmod. So what I am doing, I am for others, I am removing is minus which permission? Read permission. Okay, so now options are others for O. The keyword of the others is O. O minus read. Read keyword. What is the keyword for read? R. Then file name. That's it. You can go and observe. Chmod O minus R. Then file name. That's it. Verify. ls-l. See, R has been removed. All hyphen. Now others having null permissions, none permissions. Okay. So that's it, guys. So this is the way if you want to add permission or if you want to remove the permission with the help of the keywords. Okay, that's it, guys. So go ahead. If you have any issues, please make a comment. I will try to sort it out. Okay, thank you.